Hello students, in today's lesson I will give you a lesson about multimeter. There are two types of multimeter, analog multimeter, digital multimeter. Multimeter have two scales, measurement scale, reading scale. To check a mobile prints and component with multimeter, we have to know the checking and other abilities of multimeter. We can check AC current, DC current and ohms with multimeter. In case of hardware fault related to a mobile circuit, the circuit components and prints was checked on a ohms. Most components and prints are checked on a continuity ohms.